Hello friends, I Srishti Srivastav, team member of Potem Tech, the Toppers community. Welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Today we have with us Mr. Shashwat Goswami, who has secured All India Rank 13 in GATE CS 2021. In this video, he will tell us about his preparation journey and share some important tips, notes making, revision, test series and time management. Hello sir, first of all congratulations and welcome to our
Uh,
channel.
Thank you. Thank you.
So sir, can you introduce yourself for viewers?
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Shashwat. I did my graduation in electrical engineering from NIT Jamshedpur. And after that, I gave GATE in computer science this year, and I scored a All India rank of 13.
Okay. Sir, so why did you give GATE CS if your branch was electronics and electrical engineering?
Actually, I was always interested in computer science. Like even during my intermediate, I took computer science as an additional subject, and I got quite interested in the coding and all those aspects of computer science. But in JEE mains, my rank was not very good, so I could not get computer science in my bachelor's. So I decided to go for masters in computer science, and that is why I gave GATE in computer science stream.
Okay. And can you tell us how risky was it to leave your job for GATE preparation?
Yeah, definitely it was risky, and it was a big decision actually, because I was already having a well secured job, and leaving that job for another stream actually is quite a hectic, risky decision. But actually, since I was always interested in computer science, and I always wanted to see myself as an IT professional rather than working in a core industry, so that is why I decided to leave my job and prepare for GATE. So that was the main motivation and the main reason why I did that.
Okay. And can you tell us about your daily routine during the preparation? Like how much hours did you study?
I was doing full-time preparation actually, so every day I was able to manage around 7 to 8 hours of studies. So it was quite easy actually. If anyone is doing full-time preparation, then managing that much hours is quite easy. So it is quite easily manageable.
Okay. And can you tell us about how you made your notes? Like you made the short notes or the detailed ones?
No, I made the detailed notes. I watched the video lectures. Actually, I took online classes for GATE preparation. So I watched the video lectures and prepared full-length notes. And yeah, I did not prepare any short notes. I made the full-length notes, and at some points I highlighted those points which were more important for preparation. But I did not made a separately short notes for the preparation.
Okay. And what about test series? What do you think is their importance? Like some people give too many test series and some people only one. What do you think is that?
I think there is no need to give too many tests. For example, I personally took 2 test series, and I solved their questions. I think the more important thing is to analyze the test rather than giving more number of tests. Because in fact, I have also seen many people who give many tests, but they do not analyze that and analyze what mistake they are doing after each test. So I think that is more important. You solve a test and you analyze the test properly, rather than solving more and more number of questions. That is more important.
Okay. And did you give any? Did you join any coaching or self studies?
No, I took one online coaching. There is one teacher called Ravindra Babu Ravola. He's a great computer science teacher. I took his classes, and apart from that, I also took Made Easy test series. So these 2 things I have taken, and yeah, that's all.
Do you think it was hard to join the classes online? Like it requires a bit of discipline.
Instead of physically going to class and traveling while going to class, it is better to stay at home and just study from the laptop. Yes, you are right. There is a problem of self-discipline. If you are disciplined enough, then there won't be any issue. I think it is quite beneficial that we can have online classes.
Okay.
Like you can stay at the comfort of your home and study. So I think that is more beneficial than offline classes.
Okay. And how did you avoid the distractions like social media?
That was not actually an issue for me. Like I don't suggest that people should deactivate or delete their account for preparation. Like if you can manage your time properly, and if your social media usage is not disturbing your preparation, then it is fine. Like it is not an issue.
Okay.
Like personally, it was not an issue for me. Like I have separate time for all those things, so those things did not distracted me during my preparation.
Okay. And can you tell us about your revision strategy?
first I completed all my video lectures. Along with that, I prepared the detailed notes of all the chapters. And after my all the video lectures were completed, then I started revising the chapters and solving the questions of those chapters from test series. And along with that, I also solved previous year questions. Actually, there is a site called Gate Overflow. I think the people from computer science may be aware about that. So there you can find all the previous year questions and detailed solution about all those questions. And also there is a forum where people can discuss their strategy and their way of thinking. So I refer to that site for solving the previous year questions. And in the last 1 or 2 months, I completely I gave mock test and did my revision.
Okay. And so the preparation journey is very long. So how do you handle the self-doubt and demotivation during this?
That is actually quite a good question. Like demotivation obviously keeps on happening from time to time as you prepare. But I think the main reason for demotivation is when you try to compare yourself with some other person. Like if you see someone else is getting a better rank than you, then you start getting demotivated. And why am I not getting that good marks? But I think the most important thing is to compare yourself with your previous results. Like if you are improving day after day, then it is okay. It doesn't matter if you are getting rank 10 in your test or rank 2500 in your test. That does not matter. If you are improving, then obviously one day you are going to get better from time to time. So I think one should not compare himself with anyone else. He should just focus on what he is doing and how much he is improving day after day.
Okay. And what are your future goals now? MTech or PSU?
I am planning to go for MTech in IIT Bombay. So that's my plan.
Okay. So do you have any last message for future aspirants?
I just want to say everyone that I think one thing that I want to point out is that I think I have seen many people who entirely focus on solving more and more number of questions rather than strengthening their fundamentals.
Yes.
And personally, I have seen that at least in GATE computer science, at least 60% of questions are based entirely on fundamentals. So if your fundamental is quite strong and clear, then you can obviously crack the exam. So what I would try to say is don't focus too much on giving too many tests, but first focus on building a strong foundation. And if your foundation is strong, then obviously your marks will get better from time to time. Focus more on fundamentals rather than solving more amount of questions.
Thank you, sir, for your time and guidance. I would also like to thank our viewers for watching this video till the end. Do follow the playlist of your respective branch for more such videos and recruitment updates for exams like GATE, PSC and PSU. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel because coming up are more such videos. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.